Shrimp burger. English. Every time I'm in Asia, I'm a shrimp guy. Shrimp burger. Oh
No, I'd love. See the shrimp in there?
the sesame seed ones.
There's really constant mini shrimp. Coke Zero different? I have to ask the expert. I can't tell. I think it's a little flat.
Yeah, tastes out there.
Teriyaki burger.
It's like a light.
It's like it's all over my face. Everything tastes healthier.
Not a big teriyaki guy or sweet sauce guy.
That's okay. Which one is that?
Spicy McChicken is very different.
It's different? It has like a sauce to it. It's not your typical like spicy McChicken you think of in the States. Good kick.
It's good.
What the? Oh yeah.
Spicy, right?